Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Zapier with Instagram in 2024. So if you're managing social media for a brand or you just want to automate some of your Instagram tasks, this integration or is a game changer of course for you. So from automating some new post alerts to syncing Instagram data to other apps, Zapier can help you simplify your social media workflows. By the end of this video, you will be able to use it seamlessly. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open your browser, go to this URL section and make sure you open both your Instagram, so Instagram.com, and also your Zapier. So go type Zapier.com. So for Instagram, of course, you would like to be logged in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you would like to go and create a new one as an example. And the same for Zapier. As an example, if it's your first time, so it's your first time in here, you'll find yourself on this page on Zapier. So you can click on start for free to create an account using Google. As you can see, you can also start with email for free. You'll also get a 14 days of using all the premium features and of course for free. You don't have even to pay for something or try a free trial, something like that. So it's totally free. And of course, if you have an account, as you said, you can just go like on login. You can log in using Google, Facebook, Microsoft. And if you want to create an account, you can create your account using a Google account. So if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So for Instagram, it's going to be the same. You can log in into your account even using Facebook account, and the same will be for sign up to create an account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go and use it or do it with like your Facebook. Other than that, as an example, make sure to have an Instagram account and yeah, you should be good to go. So now, once you're logged in into your both accounts, you'll find yourself here as an example. So what you'll need to do basically now, once you go to Zapier, you'll have to go to this list panel and click on apps because we would like to connect our Instagram apps into Zapier first of all before doing anything. So once we click on apps, we'll find ourselves here. So click on search apps and make sure to look for Instagram. So just type Instagram. Once you type that, as you can see, you find two. Instagram for business or Instagram. So if you have a business example in Instagram, you're selling stuff or something like that, make sure to connect the second one. And if you have just a personal account, you want to just your personal account, you want to automate some stuff on it, so you can simply go and choose that. So for me, I'll just go and click on choose Instagram in here, just the normal one. I guess I have a business account in here, but I'm not very sure. So I'll just go and connect the normal Instagram. If there's an issue, they'll tell me. So you'll find this pop-outs in front of you. And of course, from there, you'll be able to start, as an example, connecting your account. So once it's loaded, as you can see, they'll tell you Zapier would like to receive the following informations. So profile informations, which is required, and content, it's optional. As you can see, on content, Zapier will have access to any reels and posts you share, and their caption and timestamps, regardless of the audience and privacy settings. For me, I'll allow everything and click on allow. So once I do so, it should take like 5 to 10 seconds and it should appear here that I am connected right away. And yeah, as you can see, so now it took me to this page. That means, as you can see, connection 1, that means I'm connected to my account. Now, if I go here to home, of course, my Instagram is connected. I can just go and shut that down. Now, how to use specifically Instagram with the Zapier. So basically to do that, we'll need to use apps. We'll need to go and create some new apps. So go to this left panel, click on create and the apps, of course. So once we do so, we'll be taken to another page where we'll be able to start creating our zaps very easily. As you can see, to create a zap, you'll need to choose a trigger and the action of that trigger, and then the action that's going to happen after the trigger is done or checked, and what should happen, of course. If you want to do it manually, it's up to you. If you don't want to do it manually, example, you can simply just type here whatever you want to automate using that or using Instagram with Zapier. As an example, maybe you're trying to automate posting contents. As an example, I don't know. So, an example here, posts an Instagram content or post Instagram contents. So, in like Instagram content. So contents, when should we post this? An example, what do you want to connect it with? You can connect it with endless apps, of course, here. and like Zapier. But if you don't want to connect it with like other apps, like maybe you can connect it with Slack, Twilio, I don't know, WooCommerce, Workspace. You can connect it to whatever you want, or WordPress actually. So for me, as an example, I'll just type when I receive. So when I receive, as an example, an email, an email. So you don't write receive like this. It's fine. Like it's Copilot AI will understand that I write receive correctly. So it's fine. And yeah, as you can see, it's creating everything for me, suggesting things for me. Of course, if I want to change the trigger, I can always just tell them again. So example, here, I'll just go and click on add all steps. As you can see, they choose like the trigger and actions for me. All I need to do is just solve what is not solved. So example, for the setup here, what did I choose? So the action events, I choose an example to the specific stuff. Of course, if you change Instagram, you can change it to Instagram business. So it's gonna be the same. So just go Instagram for business example. You can also change this from here, but you'll have to connect it if it's not connected yet. And from there, example, you can publish a photo, do other stuff. So if you choose to publish a photo, you'll have to sign in into the account as example, because we did not sign up for or sign in for the Instagram business. You'll have to configure it afterwards. You'll have to test it out. And basically that's how you use it. There's endless possibilities to choose exactly what do you want to connect specifically, or what do you want to do as an example specifically with that connection between Instagram and Zapier. So it's actually up to you to choose whatever specifically you want to do. I cannot like tell you to do this and not this as an example. So as I said, it's totally up to you to choose whatever you want. Just go and connect whatever you want. Of course, as we said, you can connect it. You go set up here an app. As you can see, endless of apps in here that you can choose from. Just search. You have more than 7,000 apps to connect from. And yeah, once you connect it, just save all, or you must have this check button every step. Publish it, and the content should be automated however you want. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.